Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to reduce background noise audio on Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are, and the easiest way that you can do this is in the effects panel. You want to go for denoise. And then from here, all you have to do is drag this into your clip right here, and just like that, you have actually removed your background noise. But if in any case you think that is not enough, then you can click here on the effect controls, click on edit, and then from here you can go and scale the amount to a higher value, and you would be able to remove some more noise from your background, and you have your processing focus depending on what you would need. And typically I just leave it at that, and then I just scale up the amount. But be careful in scaling up the amount, because that would also make you lose quality of your audio as you scale up the amount, or make your voice squeaky and muffled. And then the next thing is that the next method, you can click here on the workspaces, and then you want to go for audio. And then from here, if you have a dialogue, then you want to click on that while selecting your audio clip. So click on that right here, and then from here you want to go into repair, and then you have your reduce noise, and then you can just scale this up right here. But I do not recommend using both the reduce noise and the denoise at the same time. I only recommend that you use one at a time right here, depending on which one you would prefer. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.